into the real time frame chart to identify our order blocks, which order blocks we need to use for our entry plan. We will discuss in this example now. For bullish trend market, we need to start from the bottom to top area. So here is the lowest point for the market now. Here is the lowest point. After the lowest point, market have successfully break the previous high, which will be cause our breakout structure. If we see at this candle, let me close for you guys. If you see at this candle, market did not give us a candle closing confirmation for our breakout structure. That means our breakout structure is not confirmed until market did not give us a confirmation with the candle closing. Now here is the market have just sweep the liquidity. In the next candle, market again have sweep the liquidity. The third candle again sweep the liquidity. Fourth candle again sweep the liquidity. That means until this high, market did not confirm our breakout of structure. Then market reverse back and make another high, and when market give us a closing after this above this candle, then our this breakout of structure will be confirmed with that candle, because now we have a candle closing confirmation now. So this structure will be shift at this area like this. Now after confirmation of breakout of structure, we need to confirm our inducement. After confirmation of inducement, here is the inducement. After confirmation of inducement, our higher high will be confirmed at this point. Now what we need to do, after confirmation of higher high, we will mark and we will analyze this whole swing move to find our high profitable order block and high profitable structure. As I told, the first order block will be our smart money trap. Like this was our unmitigated order block with a imbalance area. So that will be our smart money trap, because it was not our structure, because our inducement was not confirmed yet. So this order block was just a trap for the smart money traders. Now we will find our extreme and decisional order block. In this candle, if we see at this candle, this is last, let me mark, this is last buying candle, sorry, the last selling candle before the down move. So this is our last candle. This will be considered as our extreme order block. But if you see here, let me change the color. If we see here, this candle have successfully mitigated with this third candle. Now this candle did not mitigated this candle, because this candle body not close above the area of this order block. That means that candle, this candle don't have their own value. Now this only this candle have mitigated this candle, because this candle low already mitigated the area of this extreme order block. Now what we will do in this case, we will simply switch our order block to the next candle. Now if we switch order block to this candle is also mitigated. The third candle don't have their own value. Why this candle have, this black candle don't have their own value? Because it's protected with this candle high and this candle low. You can see here it's protected with candle high and low. So we'll simply switch into the next candle, which is here. Now this candle will be considered as our order block. Why this is considered an our order block? Because this candle have proper imbalance here, and this is unmitigated order block for now. So that order block will be considered as our first entry plan. Now our entry will be like that. SL point will be here and profit target point will be at this point. Now this is our first entry plan with this order block. In this whole move we have just extreme order block. This will be our extreme area, because our extreme area is already mitigated. So this order block will work as our extreme order block. Now what happened here? If we switch into the next move, here is another breakout of structure. Now here is our breakout of structure for the bullish. Our breakout of structure only will be confirmed after taken out the inducement. Now we need to find our inducement. Market have created this high, but for this high there was inducement at this point, but market did not confirm the inducement and did not taken out the inducement, so our this high will be not confirmed. But whenever market have sweep this high, so our inducement will be shifted from this area to that area. Now this high, for this high our inducement was here, but market again sweep the high which is at this point. In this case our inducement will be simply shift from this point to this point. Now our inducement is here. Now our next trending range is from that high to that low. This is our next trading range. Let me like that. Now as I told, our first order block will be considered as smart money trap. This is our first order block which is considered as smart money trap. Why I am not marking this candle? Because it's already mitigated with the third candle. This order block will be considered as smart money trap. We need to find our extreme and internal order block now. If we focus on that area, this was our extreme order block. This high and this low was for our extreme order block, which is mitigated with this third candle. So we will simply switch our order block to the third candle. Now this is our another order block like that. Now order block will be considered only with the body. Sometimes the market will react from the wick as well, but the main volume of the body, the main volume of the orders for the market will be under this body session. Now this is our body session and our actual orders will be pending at this point. Now this will be our extreme order block. Why this is our, now if you see, focus on this candle also don't have their own value. This candle also try to close above this candle but did not successfully close above it. So these all candles don't have their own value. These four candles don't have their own value, so we cannot consider it as our order block. Because if you have question like this candle have successfully taken out previous candle low, and why I am not taking this candle as an order block? Because this candle is protected with that black candle. Until market will not break this candle high or low, this candle will not have their own value. Now our next order block will be at this point. This is our extreme order block. We need to find our internal order block as well. This, if we see here, there is not any decisional order block in this swing, so we only have our extreme order block which is at this point like this. So our next entry plan will be at this point. Our SL point will be here. Our profit target will be this high. Now if we see here, we have another breakout of structure. Now here is the breakout of structure which is considered at this point. Here was the low. After taking out this low, our inducement is confirmed here. Now we need to mark our POIs. Now our extreme order block was here, which is mitigated. Our next order block was here, which is protected. Now the next order block will be here, but it was our smart money trap, but it's not our entry plan. Now this order block was protected and market have successfully completed his energical area like that. This was our profit target like this. Now if in all these examples we have just single order block, which was our extreme order block, now we need to switch another chart in which we have a lot of order blocks in just single candle in single. Now if we focus on USD CAD in 15-minute time frame, in this structure we have a breakout of structure and we have inducement as well. This was our last low. Now we need to confirm our high. Our high will be confirmed after the inducement. Like this high was this inducement but did not taken out. This high was this inducement but did not taken out from the market. Now our highest point is here. Like this is our highest point. Why this is our highest point? Because its inducement was at this point, which is successfully taken out from the market. This is our sell inducement. Let me mark. So we need to find our order blocks now. We will first of all we will mark our order blocks, then we will customize our high profitable order block from that area. First order block is here, second is here, the third one is here, fourth one is here, like that, fifth one is here. Let me mark with the same color. The sixth one is here. Like we have 6 order blocks in this swing now. What we will need to do, we will simply mark our points, which is unmitigated session, imbalance session, order flow session, and the last one is the liquidity section. We will all mark from these candles which have the high profitability, which have the highly these things. We will simply use that order block. Like first of all we will mark the imbalance as well. Now this is our smart money trap. For example, this cannot be used, but this have imbalance. This can be used because it's not our order block, or sorry, not our smart money trap. Or these order block for can use. Now this have the imbalance, this have also imbalance. This order block have imbalance like this high and this low. This order block also have the imbalance. This order block also have the imbalance. This order block did not have the imbalance. This order block also did not have the imbalance. Now the next thing is mitigated or unmitigated. This order block is unmitigated, so it's valid for now. Let me ask according to the mitigated and unmitigated section. This order block is also unmitigated. This order block is also unmitigated. This order block is also unmitigated. This order block is mitigated. This one is also mitigated. Now it's time to follow the order flow. We will mark our order flow. The first order flow was here. Let me change the color for it. This order flow was here. For this candle, order flow was here. For this order block, order flow was here. For this order block, its order flow was here. And this order flow was here. This order flow was here. Let me mark. Now we will find our order block. This order flow was mitigated with this candle, so it's not valid anymore. This order flow is unmitigated, so it's valid for now. This order flow is mitigated with this low, so it's not valid anymore. This order block is unmitigated, so it's valid for now. This order block is mitigated with this low, so it's not valid for now. This order flow is also mitigated, so this will be no more longer for to use. Now the last and final thing is liquidity. We need to find the liquidity. This order block don't have liquidity area. This order flow was have the liquidity area, which is at this point. this was considered as liquidity for this order block. This order flow, this have the liquidity at this area. This order flow also have the liquidity at this area. Now these two order blocks don't have the liquidity remaining. Like cross this order flow have liquidity, this have also liquidity, and this have also liquidity. Now if we see here, this is totally wrong for now to take this extreme order block, so it will not valid because there are so unprofitable abilities here. This is also not valid because the all sessions are mitigated, there is no order flow is also mitigated, there is no imbalance, and there is no liquidity remaining. With this order flow, its order flow is mitigated, imbalance is also available. The third one is liquidity is also available, order flow is also mitigated, the candle is also mitigated. So let me focus on this area for now. Why I am taking this candle, why this third candle is not mitigated like this, like I have said in the previous example, because these two bodies did not close above to this candle high and low. That means the order flow, the order session is still there with that candle. Whenever if market will return back from this candle because it's closed above from the area of this order block and return back with that kind of structure like that, then this order block will no more valid because it's mitigated with the third candle. Now this two candle don't have their own value because its body have under this order block. That's why I am taking this order block. Now this order block will be totally unvalid because it's the first order block will be considered as our smart money trap. Now we have remaining this order block, but now this have 4 tick sections, this have 5 tick sections, this have 1 cross section. That means this order flow, if the order flow is mitigated, then the order block will be not high profitable for us. So we will simply delete this section as well. So that will be considered as our ENG liquidity, extreme liquidity, and first order block will be here. This will be our decennial order block, this will be our extreme order block. Let me mark our decennial order block. If we take our entry from decennial order block like this from this area, and our entry session will be like that, and profit target will be the high session like this. Now if we see here, this order block have successfully gave us the reaction to almost 50 plus pips, but did not work as profitable as we was marking for our profit target, because this was our decennial order block. As I already have told that decennial order block will work 50%, not have the full confirmation about the decennial order block. But if extreme order block will give you the confirmation for the buys and sells, that will work 100%, and there will be high profitability for you guys. Not if we focus on this point, market has successfully tapped on that area, and our SL will be like this, and profit target will be like that. The first profit target, initial target will be here, the extreme target will be here like this. This is our initial target, and the second target was this high, which is successfully mitigated with that high. So I hope this video will be very informative for all of you guys. If you did not clear your doubts, rewatch the video at least 10 times for now, so you will clear your points about the order blocks. If you want to join my team, my mentorship, or my signals room, then you can simply switch into my website. I will provide the link in my description as well. You guys can simply switch to the www.gfrsmctrading.com to join my team. Here is the all section is if you want to join my education section. So here is the education section. I have uploaded course for all of you guys. Here is the two plans for now. This is for only course. If you want to join the course and my premium section for lifetime as well, then this here is the prices. You can simply buy from here. And if you want to join the signal section only, you can see here. Here is the signal section. Here is the two plans also. Here is the complete details about the signals, and here is the plans details, and prices are already mentioned. We are working on the prop firm as well. Here is the prop firm account details. You can see we are helping a lot of people here. Here is my personal certificate from the my Forex funds. Here is the all the details that I have, the which clients which I have helped to pass their sessions as well. Now if you turn back into the home page, you guys can simply see the overview of the whole course. Here's the premium community. You guys can see I have 1000 plus members in my premium channel. If you want to join my signals room as well, you can directly contact, or you can buy from this website as well. Here is the overview. You can see all the course details are provided, or here's the testimonial, some reviews from the clients. You can see you can simply contact into my telegram section. Here's my username of my telegram, so you guys can simply switch and contact me for more details. Thanks for watching our video. Jazakallah khair. Allah.